Hi, Alex.
Hi, ate.
Apakaganda mo. Talagang
Hi, thank
nag-prepare ka. Ready ka? Excited ka?
Oo, excited. Na-excite ako at the same time kinakabahan ako kasi nga baka wala akong makamatch or excited din ako kung sino makakamatch ko.
Now, let's wait. Tignan natin kung sino ang darating. Are you expecting someone?
Sana yung gusto ko.
Siyempre.
Na-expect ko talaga na lalabas si Ron. Ang tagal. Ikot ako ng ikot yung mata ko. Ang init-init, hinihintay ko. Bakit walang lumalabas?
Alex, time is up.
Okay.
And I'm so sorry. Walang dumating.
Walang dumating.
That means I'm really very sorry, but you didn't find a match in time.
Okay. Na-frustrate talaga ako na walang nagpakita kasi nga, yun nga, ina-expect ko si Ron or kahit si JC.
Don't worry, you're beautiful. There's a lot more men that will appreciate you and that will see the best in you. Bago matapos ang lahat, may I know the dater of your choice? Kasi dalawa yung kaninang sinabi mo. So, sino sa kanilang dalawa?
Siguro si JC.
Si JC. Okay. At dahil dyan, nandito si JC.
It's a game, ganun talaga guys. Laro talaga ang pag-ibig. Minsan manalo, minsan talo. Ganun talaga. Ikaw kasi talaga yung choice ko. Feel like ikaw yung pinaka best. Tsaka ikaw, you don't have to. Parang wala kang kailangan masyadong patunayan sa aming mga babae. Tahimik ka lang.
Thank you sa pagpili. Sobrang appreciate ko yun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pero ayun nga, nakakalungkot din na... Kasi meron din akong hope na JC and I will end up.
Hi, Pupa. You're so pretty.
I'm so not used to it.
Okay lang yan. But, Pupa, handa ka na bang malaman if you have a perfect match?
I want to know, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah. During that moment, honestly, hindi ko alam. As in, sheesh.
Hi, Jo Marie.
Hello, hi Don.
Okay. Oh, Jo Marie came. Para
Para
Saan
ano
ba?
para sa akin.
Thank you. Kasi hindi ko in-expect na dalawa sila yung pupunta.
Ay, wait lang. Bakit dalawa?
Sakto yung tunog ah.
Pupa,
you.
JC's also here.
Kala ko para sa akin.
Sheesh!
Hindi pa.
Speechless si Pupa.
Hindi ko alam talaga anong gagawin. At the same time, alam ko kasi kung sinong pipiliin ko dun sa dalawa.
Pupa, it means JC and Jo Marie picked you. But, you know, sa pagmamahal, sa pag-ibig, there has to be only one.
Medyo na-shockera ako ng konti. Overwhelming siya in a way.
Ikaw yung pinili ko kasi pag magkausap tayo, sobrang natural yung flow ng conversation natin. And nag-enjoy ako pag nagko-converse tayo talaga. And that's very rare.
Na-appreciate ko yung pag-open mo sa akin. Sobrang na-inspired ako sa'yo sa lahat ng nakwento mo. And yung mga ideal ko, yun yung nakita ko sa'yo. And yun, interesado pa akong makilala ka lalo. Siyempre, kinakabahan din ako konti. Pero yun nga, more on acceptance kung sino man or hindi.
Pupa, you'll have to choose only one.
So, kagabi, they're my top two choices.
Them?
Yeah, both.
Oh, okay.
At first, wala talaga akong type,
Okay.
honestly, like when it comes to look. So I wanted to get to know the three guys.
Mhm.
It was so natural. Like, there was no dead air. Napasayaw ko pa siya sa parang, that was fun. I was actually really certain about Jo Marie. But then,
Guluhin ang mundo mo.
gugulin talaga.
So ngayon, tatanungin kita, Pupa, who is the dater of your choice?
So I'm choosing JC.
Wow. Yun yung reaction ko talaga sa... Okay, masaya ako na ako yung napili.
JC, congratulations. And Jo Marie, I am so sorry.
Okay lang.
But Pupa already made a choice.
nasaktan ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nasaktan. Basta alam ko, nasaktan ako.
Jom, we're sorry you didn't find your match here in Hong Kong. How do you feel?
Na-feel ko yung rejection at that time. Okay lang naman. Ganun talaga eh.
You know, John Marie, that makes you human.
Yeah.
It means it's really genuine kasi na-hurt ka. It's not the end of the road pagdating sa pag-ibig just because you didn't find a match here.
Life is beautiful at marami pang mas deserving ng...
Thank you, brother.
Still, congratulations, John Marie, and
Thank you,
good
guys.
luck.
Yes, thank you.
To Jom, I just want to say that whatever I said before, lahat yun totoo. I'm sorry if I wasn't really clear. I don't mean to hurt anyone. Gusto kitang kausapin, honestly, in person. Pero I don't know how to talk to you.
Okay, congratulations, JC. Perfect match. Okay. Excuse me.
Sobrang hindi ko in-expect. Akala ko hindi ako pipiliin kasi yun pinapakita sa akin ni Pupa na ayaw niya ako. Yun yung nararamdaman ko. Happy ako. As in, sobra. Thank you sa pag-choose sa akin.
I didn't expect you to choose me. Actually, I did not expect him to choose me kasi akala ko he was gonna choose Alex. I cannot words. Hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin. Hindi ko alam kung paano gumalaw. Thank you for choosing.
Alam mo yun, nabuo dito sa Hong Kong. Mabubuo natin, gagawin natin. Happy ako.
Same.